In this chapter, we'll create a very simple workflow to create invoices for contacts. It's not a very realistic invoicing process, but it illustrates how to put together a series of screens. First, add a file collector to your model. We'll call this Invoice Transactions. Find a test file. There are instructions in the training notes, and you can download this test file. We'll create a stream from that. Let's just check the data. It's a simple list of transactions which we can assign to a contact and use to create an invoice. First, let's tidy up this model view a bit. Now we'll create a new dashboard. This dashboard will be an intermediate step in the workflow to assign transactions to a chosen contact. We're going to add two views on here. One will be for the contact and one will be the list of transactions. So we'll create a form in the top. We'll call this contact details, assign, trans. This distinguishes it from the original contact details form. Then we'll find the contact stream and drag on attributes onto our form. Now we'll just rearrange these fields. Next, we'll add a grid view with the invoice transactions. Let's make this UID field hidden. And once we've done that, we need to slightly reorganize these fields again. Next, we'll create an action on the contact stream. This action will open up the next dashboard in the process, assign transactions. We'll call the action Start Invoice Creation. This is because this is the first step of this process. Go to the action completion section. In this case, we won't tick close parent dashboard because you want to leave the contacts dashboard open. But do tick open post dashboard. Select the dashboard you just created from the list under the application. Here's a new step. We're going to add a context parameter. In this case, we want to store the UID for the selected record on the contacts dashboard and send that up to the next dashboard. The expression to grab the UID from the form is _form.uid. Now we'll go and add a button to the contacts dashboard so we can associate our custom action. We'll call this button Create Invoice. Find your custom action and drag this into the new button. Save your changes and update the label to Create Invoice. Finally, we need to filter on the Assign Transactions dashboard by the selected contact. For this, we'll use the UID field, which we stored in the action in a context variable. Go to the element details for the contact form. We're going to create a new background filter. We'll call this by UID. And the condition is where UID equals underscore context dot UID. Remember to press the ABC button to make this an expression. We'll save our changes. We'll open up the Contacts app and go into app mode to try this. Select a contact and press the Create Invoice button. This will take you to the Assign Transactions dashboard, and there you can see our selected contact